So hello my wonderful viewers and welcome back to Smart Money Hustle. Okay, so before we start, I want to say this very quickly. So every week I do share real ways that you can use to make money online from anywhere in the world. So if you don't want to miss any of the new opportunities that I share, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So that way you'll be among the first people to see new online jobs when they come out. Okay, so guys, I don't want to waste your time. In today's video, I want to show you some legit online tutoring platforms that people from different countries use to make extra money from home. Okay, so these are real websites and you can join them even when you have simple skills. So I'm going to open each website on my screen and I'm going to show you the page so that you can check them later. Are you together? So let me begin with the first online tutoring platform or site, and it goes by the name VipKid. It's a popular site. Are you together? And this platform is mostly for people who are based in US or Canada. Are you together? So in this platform, you're going to teach English to kids, and the lessons are very simple because the site provides you with everything that you need to become a tutor. Okay, so it gives you slides, it gives you activities. Okay, so it automatically gives you everything, so your work will just be tutoring. Are you together? So here you can see it has been written become a teacher, or let me call it a tutor, because tutoring is the same as teaching. Are you together? So you are like teaching students. Are you together? So you can become a tutor here, and if I open this one, it explains to you what you need or how you're going to operate in this site. So you can see becoming a teacher. They have given some FAQs over here, and the answers are written below it. Okay, so this is the site, guys. This is one of the sites that I've decided to share with you. It's called VipKid. It's a legit site, so go try it, my guys, and see if it's going to work on you. So if you are in the US or Canada, this is one of the best paying tutoring sites. Okay, so because of time, let me go to the second tutoring platform, and it goes by the name Cambly. And Cambly is one of the easiest tutoring platforms to join. Okay, so you don't need a degree or teaching experience to join this site. You simply talk to people who want to improve their English. Okay, and you can press here, and then it's going to guide you on how you are going to become a tutor in this platform. And something good about this site is that they do pay through PayPal, and you know PayPal is an international payment method. Okay, so that is a good thing about this site. So you can also be paid weekly, as I've said, and you can see how it looks like. So if you like this site, you can click get started, and it's going to show you the steps that you're going to use until you apply for tutoring position in this site. Okay, because of time, let me go to number 3. So the third platform where you can do tutoring jobs is called Preply. So this is a popular site. Actually, I know most people, or a majority of people, know about it or have heard about it. So Preply allows you to teach many things. Actually, you can teach languages, you can teach school subjects, and you can also teach your own hobbies. Okay, those things that you like doing. Are you together? So a good thing about this site is that you can set your price, and then students come from all over the world. Okay, and if you want to become a tutor over here, you just click over here, teach online, and then follow the steps that is going to give you until you finish applying. Are you together? And it's a legit site. Okay, because of time, guys, let me go to the fourth site. So another legit tutoring platform is called Wizant, and for this site, it is very popular. It's a very popular site in the US. Okay, so you can teach school subjects. So school subjects are ranging from maybe chemistry, math, biology, a lot of those subjects. Okay, many of those subjects, let me say it like that. Okay, so you can also teach music. And something else about this site after researching is that you can also teach your hobbies. Okay, so you also set your own hourly rates. Okay, and students choose you. Are you together? So if you want to become a tutor over here, you just click here or Wizant Tutoring, and then you follow the steps that have been given, and you are good to go. Okay, guys, so if you get a challenge applying, or maybe you don't know how you're going to apply, please go and ask ChatGPT, is going to give you a good step-by-step guide on how you're going to apply. Are you together? Okay, let me go to another site, guys. And the fifth site is called tutor.com. So for this site, I can say it's a strong platform, and they do work with schools in US, and including libraries and colleges, and they offer tutoring in subjects like math, English, science, business, and many others. Okay, so if you want to become a tutor to this site, you just go over here on online tutoring jobs. You can see become an online tutor with tutor.com and enjoy flexible okay, not going to go deeper into it, but you just click over there and then you follow the steps. They also have a video guide of how you're going to apply. Okay, it's a legit platform, guys. You can confirm with me. I've also confirmed it's legit, so guys, try it. Okay, let me go to another one, and this one is called OutSchool. So OutSchool is another tutoring platform that is legit. Okay, and this one is fun because you can teach kids almost anything. Are you together? So you can teach them academic subjects, art, drawing, cooking, dancing, even storytelling, my guys. Okay, so you create your own class and then you choose your time. Okay, guys, and you can just click over here, teach online, and then follow the steps that is going to give you, and then apply. Are you together? So this one, I think it has an email that you're supposed to send your resume. Or let me just see. Okay, let me just see. So you can just sign up over here, guys, and go and try the opportunity. Try this site and see if you're going to get work or maybe be employed there to tutor. Okay, for now, up to now, guys, I hope you like the content that I'm sharing, and I'll just ask you guys to please subscribe so that you don't miss any of the content that I post. I post valuable content in a very simple way. So guys, don't assume it. Please try. Please try these opportunities, and also please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the opportunities that I share. So let me go to the other site or another tutoring platform, and it goes by the name Varsity Tutors. So for this one, we can say it is the biggest tutoring company. It is among the biggest tutoring companies in the United States, and they do offer live classes for kids, teens, and also college students. Okay. And something else about this site, something that I'm familiar with this site, is that they also have a test prep classes for SAT, including other form of exams. Okay, so you can apply by clicking over here, tutoring jobs. Then you see the jobs that they do have, and then you will be good to go. So you can see it says start earning. Okay, so you just follow the steps that have been given, and the good thing, it is legit. Okay, guys, I've researched and I've realized and I've found out that it is legit. Okay, let me go to another site. So another legit tutoring site that you can tutor students is called Italki. And I don't know if I'm spelling it correctly, but it's called Italki or Italki. So this is mainly a language teaching platform. So you can teach your own native language or any language that you speak. So if you're good in your language or any other language, you can come to this site and teach. Okay, so you can see become a teacher. Okay, so here students are going to book one-on-one lessons with you, and then you're the one who is going to set your own price and schedule. Okay, so you can just click over here, become a teacher, and then proceed with the steps that they have given and apply. Are you together, guys? So let me go to another site. I am almost done. Okay, so another site which is very popular, I know most people know about this one, but you can also teach over here and make money. Okay, it's called coercing. So here you actually, something else I want to note with this site is that you don't teach live. Okay, you just answer study questions and then they pay you per question. Okay, so many college students in the US actually use this site. So the work here is answering study questions and then being paid per question that has been answered. Are you together? This site is called coercing. So you can see over here it says earn money as a tutor. Okay, so you can just click there and then follow the steps that they have given, and it's very legit. You can also see they claim that you can make up to $1,500 per month. So try and see if that is true, guys. Okay, let me go to another site, and this site is called Brainfuse, and it's also another tutoring platform that you can try, my guys. And they do work mainly with libraries and schools in the US. And this site focuses on writing, reading, math, science, and other school subjects. Okay, so if you want to apply, you just click here, become a tutor, and then continue with the steps that have been given, guys. So try this opportunity, try this site, and see if you can get work. So you're just going to send your resume to this email, okay? And then after they have reviewed it, they are going to message you or send you a registration code, okay? I am almost done, guys. So the other site is called Udemy. It's a popular site. Many people know about it. And this one is not a live tutoring, okay? So in this site, you will just create a course once, and then you are going to upload it, and then people are going to buy it over time. So it's a good way to earn long-term income. Are we together? So you can also see it here, it says teach online. Go and try, my guys. So you just open, follow the steps that have been given, and then see if you can get an opportunity. I haven't tried all of them, guys. I'm just sharing with you. I've tried Preply. I haven't tried all of them, guys. So go and try, because I believe they are legit. They are legit. You can try, and I know you can make some money if they accept you. Okay, guys, the final one is called Teachable, and I'm going to be fast because of time. So this is another good platform, okay, where you can tutor, and here you create your own lesson and then you sell them, okay? So you choose your own price, and you also design your own course in this site. Are you together? And something good about this site is that it is very good for any skill, whether it is cooking, whether it is computers, whether it is design, whether it's writing and fitness, anything. Are you together? And then a bonus site, which I won't talk about it, is called study.com, okay? So go and try all of them and see which one is going to work on your side, okay? Or which one will be fortunate to get. So, and that's it for today videos, guys. And there are some, these are actually, I can say, these are some of the most trusted and legit tutoring platforms that I know so far. So you can try and use them to make money from home, okay? So you don't have to join all of them, guys. Just pick 2 or 3 that fit your skills and then start small, okay? So guys, if you have found this video helpful, I know it's a simple video, please make sure you subscribe and to turn on the notification bell. I usually post new online job opportunities, new online job income ideas, let me call them that, every week. And I don't want you to miss, guys, okay? I don't want you to miss. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.